Today we are going to see Chapter 4 Working of Institutions. First topic, how is a major policy decision taken? Under that, first topic is a government order. On August 13, 1990, the Government of India issued an order which was called an Office Memorandum. So this was called as Office Memorandum. The order says that SC and ST, the 27% job reservation benefit will be socially and educationally backward classes. So here this order says that other than SC and ST, the 27% job reservation benefit will be given to a new third category which is being called as SCBC. So here only persons who belong to backward classes were eligible for this quota. Second topic, the decision makers. So here, who decide the issue of this memorandum? This major decisions, it would have involved other major functionaries in India. So here it involves further points. Let us see what are those points. First one, the president is the head of the state and he has the highest formal authority in India. And second one, the prime minister is the head of the government and he takes most of the decisions in the cabinet meetings. Third one, parliament, it consists of president and two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So here the prime minister must have the support, have a majority of Lok Sabha members to pass the memorandum. So here when the office memorandum was passed in India, it was hot debate issue. And some felt that this was unfair because it would deny the equality of opportunity to those people who did not belong to the backward communities, while others felt this would give a fair opportunity to all. So here, so far had not adequately been represented in government employment. So here they are asking who so far had not been adequately represented in the government employment. This dispute was finally resolved by Supreme Court of India by hearing all the cases. So here this was finally resolved by the Supreme Court of India. This case was known as the Indira Savne and others versus Union of India case. The Supreme Court judges in 1992, they declared that this order of the Government of India, it was valid. Thus the dispute came to an end and this policy had been followed since then. Third topic, need for political institutions. So here different arrangements were made in modern democracies which are called as institutions. So here democracy works well when these institutions perform functions which are assigned to them. So here institution, it involves meetings, committees and routines. This leads to delays and complication. And some of the delays and complication, it was introduced by the institution. It was very useful because they provide an opportunity for a wider set of people to be consulted. Institution make it difficult to have a good decision taken very quickly. So here institution make it very difficult to take a good decision which are taken very quickly. But they also make it equally difficult to rush through a bad decision.